Hello everyone, and we're back, and we're doing a SHC special of Sonic ROM hacks, yay! And the first hack, Big
Yay.
Fishing Dobby!
Hooray!
Now in this game, Froggy eats a Chaos Emerald like he always fucking does, and you just have
No, he wins for special stage first.
yeah, and then you just fish him out.
What's the point of the game?
Fishing!
I see.
Why didn't you get Eggman?
Because you have to have 2 players unless there's a code for Eggman.
This is the point of the game. That's the ROM hack.
Yeah. Yeah, you just fish, and I filmed this for about 3 minutes.
Fucking. Did
What
they
is-
make the sprite for big, or was it ripped out or something?
Oh,
I
someone
think
made it
the
for.
big one. Sorry, what was that, Rahin?
No, someone made it for the hacker.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty good.
This is fucking incredible.
Yeah, I can like quickly mention the Sonic hacking contest. Basically, every year there's a contest going on where a bunch of people put together their ROM hacks and they just win online trophies, if you will. And we're recording this on a Friday, so you can't vote anymore, but whatever, we're gonna showcase these hacks anyway because they're fucking amazing. Like this one.
That's a stupid prize.
Yeah. It's just a bit of fun, really, and that the creators get more recognition. But you know what the
Those
controls
fish
are?
mechanics.
All you do is use the fucking directional button.
Wow.
This looks so easy. Does it get
Yeah, but
harder?
to be fair, someone made this. I can.
Yeah. It's a nice idea, I think. Don't worry, this is the last stage I showcase.
Big the Cat is pretty much the best character in the Sonic universe. I'm just calling it how I see it.
From what I've heard, this hack was actually supposed to be a minigame in another hack.
Oh.
Wow.
Where's the full one?
Did that problem fall? Did that hack fall through and you just stopped?
No, it's still being made. You know Sonic Classic Heroes?
Yeah.
Yeah, the person who made that game made this minigame.
The second hack is actually a Sega CD game, and the music
No
didn't
one-
work, so I'm gonna credit the artists in the description or like an annotation or something, because I can't really hear it. I don't want it to echo. But if you have a seizure warning, don't put it on full screen.
I will do
What
that
the
then.
This is Sonic. Oh, these
This is
birds,
trippy as fuck.
Sonic
Dude.
meets Nitro.
No, basically you have to like hit certain.
I don't know what's
You
going
have to
on.
hit certain trigger points in the map to try and change the the layout. So if you see in the corner, swear words pop up, and that tells you that you can go somewhere else, and you try not to get trapped, pretty much.
Oh,
It's
that's an
a
interesting
puzzle
idea.
enemy.
That
Oh, I
is-
see, yeah. You came
this
from up
is-
there, now there's nothing there.
That basically tells you that something's happened in the stage. And the music's really good in this, but it didn't work for me. That's why I had to edit the music in, because if you download the hack, you also get a download for the soundtrack as well.
That's cool. This is fabulous.
Fucking hurting my eyes. I'm watching this off a telly.
At least it's
Yeah,
in the Green
this-
Hill Zone hack, like most of them are.
Yeah, that was pretty much the whole fucking SHC in a nutshell.
Well, at least you've chosen the interesting ones
Oh,
for
God,
us.
How long does this go for?
About 4 minutes as well.
Alright. So you just stuck here?
It was weird. It was confusing because it all looks the same. But if you see there, I triggered something.
Oh yeah, it's all different.
Oh,
Everything's
okay,
changed.
yeah. It's all changed.
Screaming children.
Sonic always changes.
God damn it, stop butchering children. We're trying to record. They looked in
Sonic
through your window.
endorses screaming children.
He's got it.
This boy's so psychedelic.
Gotta disable those children first.
Oh god. I have to kill fast, and bullets too slow.
He's not Silver the
Gotta kill
Hedgehog.
fast.
God.
Yeah, I've
This
seen
takes
a
a knife
Mega
out,
D with
gotta
it too,
kill
like
fast.
Yeah, I've been watching Johnny's stream.
So does this go on forever? You just have to keep going until it keeps.
Until you
it
either
just
get-
changes.
If you can get to the end, but you can also like get trapped, so you have to reset the ROM and do it again, or just resave it. Yeah, I thought pausing triggered something because look in the corner it came up with something when I paused.
Yeah. But it didn't do anything then.
I mean, it's fun. Let's skip to the boss. Oh wait.
So the point
Skip
of his
to the
ROM hack
boss.
is that it's always
cheats
changing,
really well.
like Sonic's level of quality in his
Yeah.
games.
Yeah, and it also insults you for trying to skip to the boss.
Oh, fuck off. Nice.
But let's be honest here, you aren't doing yourself a favour here. I mean, just because you fail on puzzles, you want to skip it. Come on, it's not that cryptic anyway. Yeah, it fucking is.
You just have to go places until it tells you that you've done it.
And hack number 3, it's a surprise. Hey, look, it's Tails.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it's just Sonic 1.
Oh,
You know
that
what's
drawing.
wrong with this?
Oh.
that's-
Ah.
What was this again?
Okay, let's just listen to this lovely music. Oh wait, no, I misclicked. Oh wait, look, it's Green Hill. Wait, what the hell is up with that flower?
Wait, what the hell?
Oh.
Thomas.
Oh no! Oh god, his
Oh,
face!
Thomas.
Oh god!
What have they done?
There are no brakes on the Sonic train.
God.
The Sonic train has no brakes, motherfucker. The hype
Wait
is
till
real.
we get to the
Yeah,
boss.
I made it so it's not Game Plus, where like you have all the Chaos Emeralds, and if you collect Thomas rings, Sonic gets that face.
Okay.
It's not Sonic, it's Thomas.
Thomas is everywhere.
Thomas has packed stacked one.
And Thomas the Dank Engine.
Thomas Boner.
Oh god! The fucking flowers! They've even got blue claws! The fuck's going?
Face, though. Just look at that face.
He's seen some shit, man.
Choose you.
Ever go so fast that your face turns white and you've got a chimney out the top of your head?
Isn't that normal?
Yeah, I hate Thomas.
Oh!
He's fucking sexy.
How can you
It's
make
not like we
Thomas?
used him for the.
I've
Sorry?
I was just saying,
just
how
never
can
liked Thomas.
you hate Thomas? God damn you.
Everyone loves Thomas.
The
Oh, Philip got through Philip!
the mod of Skyrim with the head of they replaced the dragons with trains from Thomas the
God,
Tank
yeah.
Engine. That's
Oh, yeah.
pretty hilarious.
Instead of the dragon roaring, he goes choo choo!
Oh god.
But this really does have no brakes.
The ride never ends!
I want to get off
The ride
Mr.
of the
Sonic's
Dank
long
Engine.
ride.
No, mummy!
Daddy, because I want to get off the ride. Oh god, it's...
It does look like he's traumatized.
He's seen some shit, man.
All those people screaming on the railway line. Even the children in the background are screaming at Thomas.
No! No, please! No! And then they were never seen again.
Only a puff of coal smoke.
Not even the children would be spared.
Hey, it's boss time! Nearly. Oh wait, come on, Thomas.
Gotta see that boss. They better
One
be
day,
as
Sonic
marvelous as the rest of the game.
Oh god! Oh jeez!
Okay, Mike.
Oh, it's even got
Came
the
on
fuck
like a
views.
wrecking
All
ball.
I wanted was to, I don't know, run over them all.
Oh, even the music's changed. Oh shit!
Said it changed to a 16-bit rendition of Wrecking
Yeah, I didn't
Ball.
hear you.
I'm disappointed the rabbits don't have Thomas's face.
Oh. Well, that was
That hack was
inspiration.
called Sonic the Useful Engine. Here I just show how to do it. Basically, you have to do the level select code, and then while it loads the demo, you have to hold A, B, and C, and then do that until the Fox title card comes up, and then you go into the level select menu, and then you highlight 9F, and then press start, and then you get the game play.
All load.
You know you're doing it right.
What the fuck are you doing?
Card on the fucking screen. Other Easter eggs include the the canteen theme, or whatever the fuck it's called, from Star Wars, playing as the
Star
Darling
Wars.
theme. Yeah. And an Offspring song plays when you're sliding down the slope in Labyrinth Zone, and and in Starlight Zone, the fucking Hulk TV show theme plays.
What?
You know the one? How did it go? I don't know how it
Twilight
went.
Zone. Oh, I don't have a clue.
But yeah, that was the Sonic Hack Showcase, and if you want to place your vote, it's probably too late because this is going when votes are closing, so we hope you enjoyed this commentary. And Filipe's back! Yay!
My connection just came back.
You missed
Yeah.
Your connection came back at the end of the video. You missed the boss of a lifetime.
I've seen. I know.
Ah, you've seen it though.
But yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll see you for the next commentary. Goodbye.
Bye!
Bye.
Wait, I got a better one. Excuse me.
I'm putting that in at the end, I don't care.
Alright.